looking for a way to stop lugging that wood chipper around the yard, the ones that come without a hitch, this is what I've come up with. This is a YardMax, and what I've done is had my son with a 3D printer make a little socket that fits on the 2-inch ball on the back of my mower. This thing is a pain to drag around all over, and it works really well. It kind of limits the turning radius, but all I do is just set it down right on it. Drive it around. It holds well just with the weight of the front. Works really well. So if you know someone with a 3D printer, you want to move it around, that's a good option right there.